Properties with hot tubs can command up to 20% more per night in premium markets. But that's just one amenity. Affluent travelers don't book based on price, they book based on experience, and experience comes down to specific details. I've hosted hundreds of luxury guests. I've logged reviews and occupancy data to pinpoint which amenities drive higher nightly rates. And today I'm sharing those insights. We'll move from quick photo tweaks that boost clicks to amenities proven to raise nightly rates. Here's your step-by-step. What I found might surprise you about what actually attracts these high-end guests. The real game changer isn't what you think. It's not always the fancy kitchen or the square footage. It's the one or two details in your photos that scream, "This place is different." I started testing visual upgrades in my listings, things that stood out in thumbnails, things that made people stop scrolling and click. I thought people wanted luxury appliances or granite counters, but the bookings came from totally different features. I focused on two types of photo moments: welcoming lounge nooks and spa-style details in bathrooms. I styled one corner with a velvet chair and designer-looking lamp, added a coffee table book, and it became the photo that everyone clicked. Instant Instagram moment. People could picture themselves sitting there, reading and relaxing. Then I worked on the bathroom. I bought a $50 wooden ladder and I rolled towels like a spa, and it made the bathroom photo look editorial. It made it look professional, like something from a magazine. I staged a diffuser and some shots, and sometimes a luxury candle in the bedroom. And these small touches changed how guests saw the space before they arrived. The outdoor area got attention too. I turned a plain patio into something special and added string lights and cozy seating. Guests pictured themselves there under the stars. And it wasn't just a patio anymore. It was a vibe, a feeling. People book feelings more than square footage. Here's what I learned from this experiment. My click-through rate jumped 25% when I focused on these photo moments. Each upgrade cost me less than $100, but they boosted photo engagement and guest excitement and booking rates. According to AirDNA, listings with standout amenities like hot tubs earn 26% higher average daily rates. But you don't need to start there. Visual appeal gets the click. These staging tricks get people to book. Then you deliver on that promise. The bedroom photos got a complete makeover too. I started shooting beds with layered throws and chunky knit blankets. I added Euro shams. The photos looked like a boutique hotel. People book what they can imagine relaxing in, what they can see themselves using. This one is subtle but powerful. Photos showing a robe draped on the bed, slippers below, and a luggage rack nearby. It says luxury hotel energy, and people eat it up. They want that hotel experience, but in a home setting. Here's the secret. Guests don't need to know it's luxurious. They need to feel it. And it starts with the moment that they look at the photos. Every detail matters. Once you nail your listing photos, it's time to deliver on that promise with amenities guests can't wait to post. People don't just want a place to sleep. They want an experience. Something they can't get at home. Something worth posting about. Something worth paying extra for. These visual upgrades changed how guests saw my properties, changed what they were willing to pay, changed the type of guest that I attracted. But photos are just the first step. The real revenue boost comes from what happens next. The key is tackling upgrades in the right order. Start with features and basic comfort elements, then move to experience enhancers like gourmet kitchens, and finally invest in high ROI wellness additions like hot tubs backed by data. First, optimize photos and basic comforts, then layer in experience upgrades like gourmet kitchens And finally, invest in high ROI features like hot tubs backed by data. Pick one category, upgrade it completely, test the results, and then move to the next level. Don't try to do everything at once. With focused upgrades and smart staging, you can boost click-throughs, booking rates, and nightly prices step by step. If you found these tips helpful, check out one of my other videos on amenities here.